Centuries of weaving, success in all endeavors. Choose our socks for success in all endeavors. Fortunes rises from the heel and good luck for life.
In the early morning rice fields, insects burrow into the soil, carrying the moisture of dew. The farmer squats, brushing dense insect eggs from the rice leaves with his fingertips, yet he doesn't rush to spray pesticides. He knows every pest is part of the ecosystem's breath. Farmland pest control is a philosophical practice of balance, avoiding the excess of pesticide overuse while guarding against unchecked infestations. Only by finding a dynamic equilibrium can the rice ears hang heavy and the land remain alive. Holding both ends is the foundation of understanding. In farmland ecosystems, excessive reliance on chemical pesticides kills pests quickly, but also harms beneficial insects like bees and ladybugs, leading to soil compaction and stronger pest resistance, creating a vicious cycle of the more you kill, the more they thrive. Conversely, depending entirely on natural regulation risks, losing an entire harvest to pest outbreaks. These extremes echo the doctrine of the mean. Too much is as bad as too little. Farmers recognize that only by understanding the limits of holding both ends can they establish principles. Ensuring ecological balance remains the bottom line of this delicate game. Using the middle way requires balance and adaptability. In farming, it's not about simply having pesticide use but integrating natural predators, crop rotation, fallow periods, and trapping lights to regulate pest populations while preserving the ecological chain. As Confucius said, knock on both ends and exhaust them. By examining both extremes, one finds the optimal balance. Adding one makes it too long, subtracting one makes it too short. For instance, the ratio of ladybugs to aphids must be precise. Too many and the beneficial insects starve. Too few and the pests thrive. This fine-tuned balance, adjusted by time, place, and conditions, embodies the true flexibility of the middle way. The key to holding both and using the middle lies in systematic regulation. If holding both represents the rigid principles of farmland management, such as maintaining ecological boundaries, then using the middle is the flexible wisdom of considering multiple factors, balancing stability and change, and dynamically adjusting strategies based on data and experience. The winter plowing to kill pupae method from the Ming Dynasty agricultural text Tiangong Kaiwu exemplifies this. Farmers deplow after the frost to disrupt overwintering pests, while carefully controlling tillage depth and range, leaving about 10% of the field ridges untouched as a buffer zone. This ensures a dynamic equilibrium within the farmland ecosystem. And isn't the balance in rice fields a metaphor for human civilization? In modern urban governance, carbon sink forests, designed for carbon neutrality, use a carefully screened mix of fast-growing carbon-fixing trees and native species. Ecological corridors along industrial zones, combined with satellite monitoring, ensure a virtuous cycle of carbon efficiency and biodiversity. In corporate management, the tension between efficiency and humanity is addressed through threshold management. Scientific modeling of factors like working hours and task complexity determines the optimal workload, balancing productivity and well-being. Even in personal life, the 4-quadrant rule helps prioritize tasks, adjusting the balance between ambition and rest. When every system, like winter plowing to kill pupae, integrates structure with adaptability, human civilization weaves a sustainable path forward. As dusk falls, trap lights flicker across the rice fields like fallen stars, a quiet pact of coexistence with nature. Perhaps when humans learn to see the world through a two-pronged approach, every inch of land will hum with the timeless rhythm of insect songs and the fragrance of ripening rice.
Centuries of weaving, success in all endeavors. Choose our socks for success in all endeavors. Fortunes rises from the heel and good luck for life.